Hello everyone, let's discuss the topic industrial dispute management. How industries manage the dispute. The concept of industrial dispute. The definition of industrial dispute is as follows. According to the section 2K of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947, industrial dispute is defined as and disputes or differences between the employer and employers, or between employers and the workman, or between the workman and the workman, which is connected with the employment or non-employment or the terms of employment or with the conditions of the labor of any person. So this is called industrial dispute. The definition identifies three parties of dispute. They are employers, employees, and the workman. So the dispute can be in between the employer and the employer, can be in between the employees, can be in between the workman, or can be in between employees and the employer, or workman and the employer. So it is the possibility that it can be happen between any of the three parties. Nature of the industrial disputes. A disagreement or the difference in opinion can exist between employers, among employers and laborers, or between the laborers. The subject must have something to do with the person's employment, lack of employment, the terms of their job, the way of their work, and industrial matter. A relationship should exist between the employer and the employee, whether on the contract basis or in the permanent thing. Different types of industrial dispute. The proprietary or the legality of an order passed by an employer under the standing orders. The application and interpretation of standing orders which regulate conditions of the employment. Discharge or dismissal of the workman, including reinstatement or a grant of relief to the workman wrongly dismissed. Withdrawal of any customary concession or privilege, illegality or otherwise of a strike or lockout, and all the matters that other than those specified in the third schedule. Settlement of industrial dispute. The three methods of settlement of industrial dispute are as follows. First is conciliation, second is arbitration, and third is adjudication. Conciliation refers to the process by which representatives of workers and employees are brought together, in which the representative of employees as well as the workers came together before a third party with a view of proceeding them to arrive at the agreement by the mutual discussion between them. So the mutual discussion will happen in conciliation and the result in front of the third party. Arbitration. Arbitration is the process of conflicting the parties agree or to refer their dispute to the neutral third party known as arbiter. Arbitration differs from the conciliation in the sense that the arbitration and the arbiter give the judgment on the dispute, while in conciliation, disputing parties to reach at a decision. So in the conciliation, conciliator helps the two parties to come on the common decision, while in arbitration, arbitrator give the final decisions. Ultimate legal remedy of the settlement of an unresolved dispute. It is referred to the adjudication by the government. The government can refer the dispute to adjudication with or without the consent of the disputing party. There is not necessary that both the parties are in concern for the adjudication, but the government apply the rule for the adjudication. Thank you.